This is the outdoor unit. This is a Mitsubishi Hyperheat, heat and cool heating and air conditioning system. We're putting this in to heat and cool every room in the house. It's going to be a 6-zone system when we're all said and done. We're now putting the vibration pads on and we will tie everything into the unit.
So instead of soldering with the flare fittings, we use the ProPress fittings. We feed them in, put the machine on it, push the button, and then no leaks.
What that allows us to do is you're technically supposed to flow nitrogen so you don't get corrosion on the inside of the pipe. This allows us to get a good seal and high pressures by using the ProPress. So what he's doing right now is feeding the lines, the electric and the drain line that we've seen them ProPress from the inside, which attaches to the bedroom unit. We're gonna run those through this line hide, and once we're done, we will cover everything so you can't even see that it's there. This is the unit on high speed, very quiet on the highest setting. Hey Bob, can you tell us how to change the filters on this Mitsubishi Hyperheat system?
Sure, super easy, 2 filters. The first one's, they call it the Nano Platinum filter, located right here. Simply lift it right off, right here. This should be done by the manufacturer, recommended every 2 weeks. Then you have your other filter right over here. This is referred to as your electrostatic anti-allergy enzyme filter. This blue one right here, it's recommended to be washed or soaked in lukewarm warm water for about every 3 months and then replaced annually. Then once you wash it, make sure it's dry. Simply put this one right in here, slide it right in. 2 little tabs right here in the front, drop down. Same thing with this one. The only difference in this one is right here, you'll notice this black filter. This is a deodorizing filter. The same thing with this, soak it in lukewarm water or rinse it every 3 months and replace it annually.
So really they just slide in and slide out.
Slide in, slide out, lift up, drop in, good to go.
Flip it down, and that's how you change your filter.